Hello guys, welcome again. Welcome to Tech Class channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to participate on Zksync Testnet. So to begin, we have to start by the first task, which is uh, click on this Twitter link, enter your Twitter. Then here you have to post your address. That means your address that you wish to participate this testnet. So here I already dropped my address already. To make everything very easy, I've already dropped my address. So the next task, make sure you like, tweet, and also follow them. So to also make this thing very easy, let us follow this project Galaxy HQ. So after you have followed them, then go to the next step. So the next step is to add Zksync testnet RPC. That is the network. We have to add it to our MetaMask. So click on this chainlist.org. Click on your Kiwi. We are using Kiwi. If you are using PC, you can just go directly with your Chrome. It will work. Then click on this Kiwi browser. Then come here and click connect wallet. After you click on connect wallet, sorry, enter the wrong. Click on this connect wallet. Then it will show you to sign the transaction here in your MetaMask. So after I show you, then click on next, click on connect. So after you have successfully connect it, then now you have to go back to your chainlist.org and then click on this testnet. Let me highlight it. Click here, the testnet. Click that button. After you click that radio button, then here you have to search for ZK. Sorry, I have clicked it two times. That is why the website is a bit slow, so you have to follow it carefully. Then write ZK. It will show you ZK Alpha Testnet. Click on add to MetaMask. So after you click on add to MetaMask, you have to enter your MetaMask now to approve this transaction. So click on approve, then switch to network, click on yes. Then here we go. So you have already added this network. Then we are now to go to the next step now. So the next step is to click on this portal.zksync.io. So click on this portal, click on Kiwi, select this. So you have to wait for this website to load. It will take a bit of I think around 1 minute for it to finish checking all this. Yeah. So here we go. So after that, you have to click on this connect using MetaMask. So click on this. After you click on this, check your MetaMask whether there is any upcoming transaction. Then click on this next. Then click on connect. So that means you have already connected that website to our MetaMask now. So the next step is to enter here again and click on this navigation button that you are seeing. You can also change it to desktop view so that you can see everything clear. Just click on this, then click on this faucet. Click here, click on it. So after you have clicked on it, the process of getting the faucet, that is the testnet token that you need for testing the protocol, sorry, for testing the text. You have to, the process is that they will give you a tweet that you have to tweet it in your Twitter. So after you tweet it, they will give you to click on this request phone. After you click on it, it will direct you to your Twitter. So now you have to tweet this particular tweet that you are seeing here. You have to tweet it. So if you are new, you have to log into your Twitter using your credential and log in. So after you do that, then the next step is, I have already do this to make everything very simpler. That is why I don't need to tweet it again. So after you have done this successfully, you have tweeted that tweet. Now the next step is to enter the main website for SyncSwap, which is the syncswap.xyz. Click on it, click on Kiwi. So now we are in our syncswap.xyz. So now we have to connect our wallet. So before that, click on this thread, click on it. After you click on it, then here you have to click on this connect wallet. So if you click on it, then you have to choose MetaMask. Click on that one. Then let us check our MetaMask whether there is any incoming. Yeah, here it is. Then click on connect. So now we have successfully connect our wallet with this DEX. So now yeah, everything is set now. So you see that we have already received, for that tweet that we do, we have already received 300 USDT and other tokens that we need for the testing. Let me show you here. Click on this. You see that we have received DAI, we have received link, we have received WBTC. Then now we have to just make some swap. You have to make some swap now. You can just use this DAI USDT and make our swap. Make sure you make at least 5 swap here. So let me start swapping this. Let me put 100 DAI to 100 DAI to USDC. Then approve this. After you click approve, then go back to your MetaMask. Let me remove this thing. Go back to your MetaMask and approve this transaction. Sign it. After you successfully sign it, you then come back again and wait for it to complete. So everything is okay now. Everything is okay now. Then click on swap. Then click on swap. So sometimes there is some particular technical error here. You need to maybe, let's say, delete this and write it again. I don't know what, delete it and write it again. Just do the way I do it. Then click on swap. Then go back to your MetaMask and then approve, sign this transaction. So after you sign it successfully, then go back to your website and wait for it to complete, for the transaction to be submitted. So now we have already successfully swapped 99.99 DAI for USDC. So you have to do it again. You have to do it again also. Then click on this arrow here. Let me highlight the place. Click on it so that you can change the direction of the token, so that the USDT will be at the top and the DAI will be at the bottom. So now you have to click on, you have to also swap again. So after you click here, then click on approve, then sign the transaction here. Sign the transaction, then go back to your page and then wait for the transaction to be completed. So after the transaction is approved, then now swap that's you, then swap it. Then enter your MetaMask to approve this transaction. Sign it. Go back to your website and wait for it to load. So we have successfully swapped also. So that means we have already made 2 trades now. So we still have 3 trades to go. So you can do this at your own leisure, because we don't this video is taking longer than expected. So I think I will just skip this, then continue with some of the tasks. So you can also swap this link here, swap it, maybe put the 100% here, then swap it to DAI. Approve this transaction, sign the transaction, then go back to your website, your DEX. So wait for the transaction to be completed, then also click on swap. You're supposed to see swap here. Here it is. Then click on swap, then go back to your MetaMask to sign this transaction. So after you successfully sign this transaction, then here the transaction is supposed to be completed here. So we have successfully made now 3 transactions. You can do the rest at your own leisure. I'll just proceed with the other tasks now. So guys, after you have successfully finish with the swap, then you can now click on this navigation button and click on pool. Now we are adding pool, which is the next step. So to add pool, now you have to click on this new position, this place new position. You have to click on it. After you have clicked on it, you have to change this place to DAI. You are using DAI for this illustration. So now you can now add liquidity for DAI USD. So let us add liquidity of 100 DAI with USD. Sorry, let me say, let me just add 10 DAI, or let me say 50 DAI with USDC. Then click on add liquidity. So now I have to enter my wallet to approve this transaction. So I've already signed the wallet now. Then come back again and see whether the transaction is successfully. So now the transaction is successful. We have successfully added the liquidity. Now the next step is to come to this warrant. So in this warrant, we have to warrant some USDCO DAI. You can warrant any of the coin DAI that you want. So for me, I prefer to warrant DAI. Let me warrant like 100 DAI. Well, I think we can just skip this warm-ups too, because as you can see, like I don't know what is happening. Like the pool is already, like people that participate already exited this pool. You can see that the only space in this pool is to add less than 0.0001 DAI. So you see that you can't add this particular you can't warm up this particular coin. Even for the USDC is still the same. So I think we have to skip this. Don't worry with the I don't think this will affect your tax. So you just go ahead with the other tax, which is the N. Here you have to stake some particular amount of USDC, some particular amount of USDC to end some to end USDS, which is this one. Just click on this one now. After you click on this one, then put any amount here you want. So for me, I'll just put 15 here. It's not let me put 10, let me put 1. Well, insufficient balance. Let me check what is the problem. Actually, there is serious let me say serious issue with regard to this particular testnet. So because we didn't wrap up any token here, so we can't be able to stake anything here, because you have to wrap up that either our DAI or USDC. If we wrap up it will turn to USDS, this one. So now that we can't be able to wrap up any coin there, so that means we can't be able to stake anything here. So that means we can't participate on this particular steps. So we have to skip it to the next step. And this problem is not from my own end or from your own end. The problem is from the website. I think many people have participated. That is why some of the pool have already dry now. So maybe if you are still interested, you can maybe you can enter their Telegram, also their Discord, to complain, or also wait till they post any update regarding to this problem. So since you have already done with the tax now, since you can't do the rest, which is this one, the 2 now, you can continue with the tax, and I think it will still work, because you have already do the tax, you have swap, you have add liquidity, so you can continue with the rest of the task now. So now to continue, let us go back to our WhatsApp. So the next task now is to join their Discord. Click on this Discord link, enter your Discord. So after you successfully join their Discord, you have to click let me show you the place. You have to click this place to verify yourself. Click on this place. So after you click on this place, then let us go back to our manual to see which tax remain now. So the other tax now is to enter this galaxy.echo/. So you have to enter this one to connect with our Twitter and our Discord. So you have to connect with our Twitter that we use to receive that postage, and the Discord that we just joined now, the account that we just joined now. So to do that, click on this link. Then click, let me use Chrome this time for simplicity. So after you click on this, then wait for it to load. So now that we have to do some little setup here, just click on this project. We'll come back to this. Click on this project now. So after you click on it, it will take you to the main page of Galaxy.echo page. So now click on this navigation. Let me highlight it. Click on this place. After you click on it, then click on your connect wallet. So you can choose any of this wallet. I prefer to use this wallet connect, so that I can use my trust wallet for the simplicity of the tax, to simplify the tax. So I will use my trust wallet now to connect. Then click on connect. Then we have already connected with the website successfully. So now click on this icon here. Click on it. After you click on it, click on settings, because now we have to put our Telegram, our Twitter, and our Discord. You have to connect with them. So now after you click on settings, you can now put your email here, your username, you can now create your username and put your email, verify your email. So I'm posting this video to do this task now. So now after you have successfully verified your email, so you have to click on this link, social link. So after you click on social link, then first verify your Twitter account, then click on this tweet, and go to your account, then tweet this. So after you tweet this, then you have to copy the link that you let me enter my profile. So copy this now, copy the link, then go to this place and paste the link. That particular tweet that you just tweet, you have to copy the link for the tweet, then verify. So you have to approve this transaction, and here you go. Now it is already verified. Now we have to do the next one, which is the Here guys, here I'm trying something different. So you can see that when I use that DocDoc browser, it showed me to connect. So I really don't want to connect, so I use Opera Mini. After I use Opera Mini, and here is the link that opened. So I don't want to connect my wallet actually, because I already connected it to that particular Chrome browser. So I just copy this link from this place, from this verify from this place. I start copying it from this place to this, because this is the verify code, let me say hash. So after you done that, just copy it and paste it to your to that Chrome to this place. After you paste it, then click on verify. So after you click on verify, you have to proceed, you have to confirm, you have to sign this transaction. After you sign it, then wait for the verification to be done. uh what I did take longer than expected, so I think I'll just do this I'll just do this. So now copy this particular link that you just copy the whole link and paste it in your browser. Paste it in your, just paste it here, click here and paste it. So after you have pasted it, you see that it will have already do this manually, automatically. So you have to click on this verify now. Verify and sign the transaction. So sign the transaction now, confirm, and wait for it to be verified. It's still saying invalid parameter. Let us try again. So you can see I have already verified my Twitter and my Discord. So now after you have verified your Twitter and your Discord, you have to go back to that to this link. You have to go back to this link again. That is the previous link. Click on this, select Chrome, wait for it to load. Then you have to claim this NFT. So I already claimed it. I mistakenly claimed it without recording. So you see available here. That means you are qualified to claim this. After you see that available, then you have to click on this claim. After you click it, it will wait. You have to wait for it to finish the transaction to be completed. After the transaction is completed, then you can now see that this claim. That means I already have the NFT, because this NFT is what we use to get our tag, our rule, sorry, our Discord rule. So now after you have successfully claimed that NFT, you have to go back to that to that to that Discord. That means the sync swaps Discord. So you have to click on this rule. So after you click on this, sorry, this not this one, this rule. After you click on this rule, so you have to click this. You have to click this join. You have to click on this. Sorry, you have to click on this join 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 sync swaps guide. So after you click on it, you have to wait for it to load, and they will successfully give you a rule. If you have already, they successfully give you a rule. That means if you see this successful message, that means you have already have the rule now. So but for some cases, sometimes you have to do this manually. So to do this manually, you have to click on this. You have to click on this verify. This verify. After you click on this verify, let me highlight the place. This place, this blue place. You have to click on it. After you click on it, it will direct you to your browser. So it will direct you to a browser, to this particular link. Let me here, it will direct you to this place. So after it directs you to this place, you will see a join button here. You see a join button, one button here, green button. You have to click on it. Then you have to connect it to your wallet, that wallet that you use to participate the testnet. After you use it, then you have to also use that Discord that you join, that you use to join their server. So after you do that, then you see a button that show you to join the guide. So after you click on join the guide, then it will show you something like this. It will show you something like this. Let me highlight this place. It will show you something like this place successful. That you have access. That means your wallet is connected. Also, then you see another successful message here, which is the NFT. That means you have already collected that NFT, because I told you that you need that NFT to claim our rule. So after you did this manually, then you have to come here again and click this join sync swap guide. So after you click it, it will show you the same message like this one. It will show you the same message like this one. So after you show you the same message like this, then you can also come here again to confirm whether you have the rule. But you actually don't need to do this if you, but for confirmation you can do this. Let me just type anything here, just then click on your high opportunity that you'll be qualified for there, maybe airdrop or anything similar to that. I think that will be the end of this video, guys. Thank you for this video. I know this is a very long episode, but this particular task actually it will actually worth spending time on. So guys, thank you for this for watching this video, and if you find this video very helpful, you can also subscribe to our channel for more video like that, and you can also suggest anything that maybe if you have any idea or anything that you wanted us to do video on it, then you can also suggest. Thank you guys for watching this video.